Hi friends, this is Varun from Creators Anchor YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily fill your text with image in Pixlr. This is a short tutorial, so please watch this video till the end. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe so you can get notification immediately after I upload the video. I upload videos about tutorials of editing, designing and social media. So now without any further ado, let's get started. So open pixlr.com and click on Pixlr E Advanced Photo Editor. Click on Create New. Select any size you want. I'm going to choose this one and write any name you want here. Now click on Create button. Fill this layer with color. So click here on this and choose any color you want. Let me choose any color. Let's choose red. And now click on this fill tool and click anywhere on here. Now your background layer is ready. Now click on this text tool and write any text you want here. Let's increase the size of this. First, let's change this color. Select this text and click on this fill color with white color. I think will look good. Now increase the size of this text. Click here and increase the size. Click on here format and click on bold. Let's change the font here. Choose any bold text you want, like this one. Now go to on top menu and click on layer. Click on add image as layer and choose any image you want to fill the text with. I'm going to choose this one. Click here and click on open. Now drag the text layer on top of image layer like this. Now right click on text layer like this and click on blend mode and choose mask. Now you can see background image is not showing here, so you have to merge this text layer and image layer. So right click on this and click on the merge button, merge down button here. Now your background is showing. You can edit more here, like go to filter. If you want outer glow, click on outer glow. This is how you can fill your text with image. I hope you liked this video. If this video helped you in any way, then please click on the like button and tell me in the comment section if you like this video or not. Your comments are really important to know that I am creating useful content or not. And don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this and to get notification whenever I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and keep creating.